Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn three things. The first one, free your RAM. The second one is to improve startup of your PC and better performance. And the third one, we will scan the PC through admin terminal to enhance its functions and fixing errors. Now on screen please. So now let's go improve the first startup. So go to search and type turn Windows feature on or off. And click this option in front of you, and after clicking this type of window appears. So drag it down to the ends and of the check mark Windows Subsystem for Linux. To remove the check mark and click OK. Now let's go and restart your PC and your PC startup would be improved. Now let's go and scan the PC and fix its errors. So press from your keyboard Windows plus X key and select Terminal Admin. After selecting this, if it appears, click Yes. And this type of interface appears. So simply type sfc/scan now. So after pressing sfc space scan now, click enter, and if this appears, so it says that there is a system repair pending which requires reboot to complete. So restart your PC. Now after restarting, window button and X button, press it and once again select terminal admin and click yes. Now once again we are on the same place, so sfc space/scan now, click it and click enter, and now the process has begun. Now it will scan the entire PC and fix the errors. So if this message appears, then congratulations, your PC has no issue. The last one, computer loading issues and free your RAM. Now press from your keyboard Windows key plus R key and type mdsched.exe. Click OK. And after clicking OK, now restart now and check for problem. Click on it and this process will start. It would be a longer process. Your system would be restarted before the process began, and this type of reading would be in front of you. It will take a little time, and at the end your PC will restart and all the issues of slow startup would be fixed. If during this process you press F1, then under test mix, basic, standard and extended option available, and under cache default on off is also available. So in case if you press escape, so the process would be terminated anytime. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.